It's 2026. If you're still chasing rankings, you're playing an old game. A new strategy is here: generative engine optimization. Consider this: up to 83% of searches now end without a click, especially when AI overviews appear on the screen. This happens because AI doesn't just rank your page. It reads it, understands it, and synthesizes your information into its own answer. The new goal isn't a click, it's a citation, to become the trusted source the AI directly references. We will break down how GEO works, the critical mistakes to avoid, and the new rules for winning in the age of AI. So is GEO just a new name for SEO? Not at all. It's a new strategic layer. SEO is your foundation, AEO is for snippets, and GEO is for AI synthesis. But if AI reasons, what is it looking for? The answer is simpler and more demanding than you think. We'll break it down. The single most important structural signal for AI trust is something you know, but its importance has multiplied. EEAT. For an AI, asserting facts without verifiable sources is a huge risk. EEAT provides the verifiable proof it needs. This is about credentials. Beyond credentials, AI needs to understand who you are as a concept or an entity. Consistent branding solidifies you in its knowledge graph. But having great credentials is not enough. Your content must be structured for machine comprehension. Make it incredibly easy for an AI to get your meaning. How? 1. Use brutally clear topic sentences. 2. Use consistent terminology. 3. Explicitly state relationships. This causes that. And the ultimate cheat code for clarity is structured data. Schema markup is not a suggestion anymore. It's a requirement to be understood. Remember our question: how does AI actually reason? The answer is semantic relevance. It converts your content into mathematical representations of meaning. Why does this matter? Because of query fan-out. An AI takes one user question, breaks it into 10 smaller ones, and finds the best source for each piece. Understanding these mechanics is one thing, but are you actively making mistakes that render you invisible to AI? Let's check the common blunders. The biggest mistake is shallow content. Being a jack of all trades makes you a master of none to an AI. It favors deep, comprehensive knowledge. Another mistake? Thinking links are dead. They're not for ranking anymore. They are powerful signals of third-party validation and trustworthiness. Here's a surprising one: boilerplate text. Reusing the same paragraph on multiple pages creates redundant embeddings and signals low value. Finally, AIs have a strong recency bias and hate contradiction. If your site has conflicting information, the AI's confidence in your entity plummets. So you've fixed the mistakes. How do you get ahead? This requires a fundamental shift in how you think about user intent and content formats. First, stop thinking keywords. Start thinking prompts. Users talk to AI conversationally. Target the specific questions people are asking chatbots. Second, it's not just about text anymore. AI engines process images, video, and audio. Your content strategy must be multimodal to be fully cited. But none of this matters if you're making one simple, catastrophic technical error: blocking AI crawlers in your robots.txt file. This is an act of digital self-sabotage. You are literally telling the generative engines of the internet to pretend you do not exist. Now let's bring this all together. Remember that terrifying 80 to 83% zero-click search statistic? It feels like a problem, but it hides a massive opportunity. While overall clicks are down, the clicks you do get from an AI citation are incredibly valuable. Data shows this traffic is 4.4 times more qualified. This is the core of GEO. You are trading quantity for quality. The formula is verifiable EEAT combined with deep AI-friendly content. So picture your strategy as a pyramid. The base is strong, technical SEO. The middle layer is AEO. And the peak, interfacing with AI, is GEO. You need all three. SEO, targets the algorithm. AEO targets the SERP features. GEO targets the AI's brain, its knowledge base and reasoning process. It's a different objective. One final piece of advice: be patient. AI models update on much longer timelines than search algorithms. GEO is about building foundational trust. The game has changed. It's no longer about tricking an algorithm to get the #1 spot. It's about proving you are a definitive source of truth. Audit your EEAT. Deepen your content. Structure your data. Build external validation. And for goodness sake, check your robots.txt file. In an internet flooded with AI-generated noise, becoming a trusted entity is the ultimate competitive advantage. Don't just optimize for search. Start your GEO strategy today. Because in 2026, if you're not a source for the AI, you might as well be invisible.